A little over a year ago, I purchased the FB6 Honda Civic Si Sedan, an earlier least popular 9th gen model due to its unassuming nature. Mine has the SI badge and you can mistakenly think that this is just a regular sedan. Hence why this car only took 1 year before it got facelifted. This brings me to the reason why I have grown to love this car. You know me, I do like cars that are very understated and unique. Unless you know it well, you would think that it's just a regular Civic sedan. It is a sleeper car, that's for sure. The Honda Civic Si in this generation is powered by the iVTEC K24Z7 engine, paired with a very playful 6-speed manual transmission with its helical limited slip differential, LSD for short. It is a high-revving 101 horsepower with 170 foot-pound of torque. It's a fun car to say the least. So how has it been living with the FB6 in the past year, you might ask? Well, all I can say is that I'm very glad I'm back on the manual mode. It's truly been a while since I've been rolling them gears, and I totally forgot how fun and engaging a drive it is. As you know, I went with the DSG on my Golf R. Don't take me wrong, I love the DSG and we'll leave that topic for the next episode. The 6-speed on this SI is amazing. Plenty of gears to play with, very easy to get used to with its linear clutch feel with no dead spots or hard points. Though we're having some grinding noises when I peel off on first gear with its throat bearing almost going bad on me. Not bad at all considering the age and the wear this car had been. Something I'll be addressing soon anyways when I decide to freshen up the clutch or replace the clutch possibly with an upgrade or just an OEM. If you've seen the past episodes, all the past episodes in the playlist for the Civic Si, you will clearly know how badly neglected this car was. Just basically parked in the backyard and hasn't been driven or even taken care of. This car came a long ways with its major maintenance all up to date now. All issues rectified, including our oil leaks running very lean or rough due to its airflow issues, a bad gas mileage, consumption. Now the car is running so well, very efficient, better than what was posted in the manufacturer's spec of 9.3 liters per 100 kilometer. This car is doing 8.3 kilometers for me per 100 kilometer, regardless of it being babied or ridden hard. In fact, this is what impresses me with this K-series iVTEC cars. The more you engage the variable valve timing, the more fuel efficient it becomes. I don't know if this is true to a lot of the car owners out there, but that's basically my experience. For some reason, every time I ride this car hard, I see my mileage even better. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, if I'm totally wrong or out of line here. Regarding power and handling, as an owner of a DSG Stage 1 Mk7.5 Golf R, the Si is very nimble and fun car, I would say. It is not by any means comparable to my Golf R, and I have driven a manual Golf R as well in the past. But it feels very fast with its fast high-revving torque. Lots of torque throughout the rev range. It handles very well given its unibody structure. Even at its stock suspension with good tires, it handles real well. Basically, driving this car gives you the feeling of being fast and engaged without truly getting in trouble. It doesn't take a Golf R fast to feel super amazed by this car. Overall, I will leave you with this to close with. I enjoy this car so much that I am willing to give it a second life and continue to revive it to its previous glory. This will remain in my simple J&B tuning car collection for a long time. Peace.